Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam dagasngi. Ya ka Relic jong upup John Paul baar bakhut la 1 point ha Shillong minhanin ka Archdiocese ujimang hajla Meghalaya. Kani ka Relic ya ka bala juyo sngoru babon nakikam ki bate ya ka imlang ka salang ya ka bala le hasatulak ka perthai da upup John Paul baar khamtam e hagidu ki jaka bakla yo ban yo ka jat ka badang im. Ya kate ka Relic hapen thor umkra aparish lawan penpoi da ka kinhon Jesus yun namar ka ka jaka ka balawan yo ka jan hamadan gofling ha ka South Rik urimpang shia jar kandai spa prapun riu. Ka Relic upup John Paul baar ka balapoi ha India ya ka balara ban penpoi ha killing ki diocese ka ri India ha Shillong Archdiocese kalapoi hapen thor umkra aparish Maulai Cathedral Parish laj umkra Don Bosco Technical School. Hapen thor umkra parish labu ya ka Relic upup John Paul baar tang arganta. Ya ka balap yang buram daki pat ba Kristan bat uparish priest of Lay Lawrence nongse. Bun ki pat ba ki balawan jngoh bat ban duai ya ka jingtmu babha jongki kanang ba upup John Paul baar unya saat nya ka benta jongki bat ya ki balang. Upup John Paul baar udai ukpa bakhut ubala im ya ka jingkhot ha ka jing im ka jongu ban jngoh ya ka perthai salonsar ha ki ri ba pher namar ba ubun kam ha ka bayarap ya ki jing im min sim ha ka jing im ka jongu
ning kong ning shop ni ai ngo ible try kan rat ni na kalyang ka Jesus Youth movement kane ka initiative jong ka Jesus Youth movement jong borok ka we ka India actually ka Jesus Youth movement kan batai kham bahas shu phang ka Jesus Youth movement kala dai ka international movement bla approach dau pa ba khoj how ar jar khan reu na po holy see te kani ka initiative bangi shimenta kalong bangi unwan ra kani ka relics ka de main hi namar ngi don ka conference ka jago conference banyong ka national conference ka ban salong ha Bangalore ha banai October na do ar huai ha do ar South Rik te ngiwan ra khnang ya kani ka relics ban mobilize ya ka jago conference ban khamtam e ba nginyo khamtam e ki pai runge jungi ru kinyo ban duai ban pan e ki jinge sa no ni u John Paul ba ar mo u riu khoi u balawan yu kijat ha kani ka Meghalaya ha ka Shillong jungi hani ha po pan thorum khra te kamin main agenda jungi ngiwan ra shini hi ban penslor e ki khon samla khamtam e ban peniajan ban penslur ban trei hakikam balang bat khamtam e amo ban peniajan yala de bat ujisu ka jisu movement hi ka de ka we ka lay missionary movement ka wala penia hi da ki dangi ki riu pat ba te ngidon hapo jungi ngidon ki chaplain animators kum sister chaplain kum father kata kamin kiba halori bapnia ki de ki lay missionary kum bang ilong ki riu pat ba hi te kata hi ka main agenda bangi wanra hama hangni hapo Shillong Meghalaya mentakan sadan south ni hapo Meghalaya mo te kamin agenda jungi bangin reach out lani ngain poi shaki pajba shaki khun samla ban peniajan yaki sha utrai bat ka jingmut ka jingtmu ba ka de jingtmu jungi na ka banta ka conference ka jago ka bangiong ba kin renewal ni ban penthamai ya ka jing em sim jungki tengi kerpat ya ki khon samla ya kinu ki khon samla ki bakwa ban join lani ban wan ha ka ni conference kila ban ai kerteng ha ki president jong ka ni ka parish penthorum crowd kit bok lang roini te kino ki samla ki bakwa ban join ru ekni ka Jesus Youth movement ki la ban one ha ka prayer meeting idan ha ki college bafair kum St Mary's every Thursday, St Anthony's every Friday, central prayer meeting mi ong St Anthony's college hi kalong ha po St Anthony's college te ha ka por lai biji janmit man ki college kalong lai biji janmit te kata hi ka main agenda jungi bangi on ra ekni ka relax ru bangin rung ha ki yeng jung Jesus Youth movement bangi dan ka ki Jesus Youth family Jesus Youth bakin rung bakin yo banduai how ni u riu khoi ban ya sa na ka banta ka yeng ka sam jungki wat khamtam e na parish na ka banta ki khon samla
one of the most popular popes in the modern history, he was very influential in terms of how he was able to guide people, how he was able to motivate people to come to faith, especially through the youth, through the kids. He was very close to them, and he was very close to the families, how families should be raised, how children should be raised, and all those things. And he was very influential during his time in the destruction of the Communist Party during the 1990s in the Soviet Union. So Pope John Paul II had a very vast influence over people, of different sections of people, be it Christians, be it other denominations of people. He had a very strong hold, and he had a very strong liking towards the youth. One beautiful example of his life was he was shot in the year 1986. I'm sorry. He was shot 2 times, but by God's grace he was saved. What most people do is they will go after the person and they will ask for justice. But what Saint John Paul II he did was he went to his person who went to kill him. He went and he said, "I forgive you," and that became a huge sensation around the world. And people were like, "How a man can do like this? How divine the man is." So there are many examples if we look into Saint John Paul II's life that inspires us, and it's a beautiful place to come here in Shillong, because in 1986 Pope John Paul II had come to Shillong, and it was a very, very huge event. So it's blessed to be here bringing the relic of Saint John Paul II.
Yes, can you tell us the specific day for the coming of relic of Pope John Paul here in Shillong, especially in India? What is the outcome, and what is the intro of Pope John Paul II?
Okay, first of all, the relic is from the cross, the crucifix that Saint John Paul II held. So back in 2005, so as we know, Saint John Paul II was our Pope before Benedict II, and he was the 3rd longest serving Pope in our Catholic Church. So back in 2005, when he was really, really sick, in 25th of March, so there was the Good Friday service happening in the Colosseum in Vatican. But due to his very ill health, the doctors had advised him not to attend in public. So he went to his private chapel, and he was praying there, holding that cross, looking at the television which was telecasting the Good Friday services there, and he was holding the cross. So there is a video which is also there that states the cross. So this happened in 25th of March, and on 2nd of April Saint John Paul II passed away. So right after like 1 week he passed away. So probably the last artifact that Pope John Paul II held. So that's the piece in that the piece in that monstrance is the small piece from the crucifix that Saint John Paul II held.
Unang yasat na punta juri, wait, tham tam na jngoh